Sunshines! Welcome back to another episode of My Pretend Baking Show. Today we're going to be making hot cocoa bombs, and it's super easy. That's why I'm having my little buddy here help me out. So if you're interested, keep watching. The first thing that you're going to want to do is grab your chocolate. You could either use white chocolate or I'm using semi-sweet chocolate chips right here. Any chocolate basically is going to work, but you're just going to want to melt it down to where it's a smooth consistency. So let's go and do that. All right, and previously when I made my cakesicles, I just melted my white chocolate, but it's kind of like a thick consistency. It's not super perfectly deliciously smooth. So I went ahead and bought Paramount crystals, and I'll be using that in this recipe today. Okay, so this is the consistency that the chocolate chips are at right now without the Paramount crystals.
Don't spill, okay, Mom?
Okay, thank you.
Oh, you spill over here.
And now I'm just gonna add just a pinch of Paramount crystals just to try and loosen that up and get it more to a liquidy consistency. So literally just like
Can put one in.
two pinches.
Son, put one in there. Can put
Sure,
one in.
get ready here. Grab it with my fingers. Okay, dump it in there. This side too. Oh, and that little baby one. Very good. So it's still not the consistency that I want, so I'm gonna do like 2 more pinches. Drop it in there.
Okay.
Come on, throw it in.
Okay.
And I'm gonna do this pinch, okay?
Why?
Because. Go ahead, put yours in. More. Very good. All right, let's mix it up. I'm gonna pop this into the microwave for about 15 seconds and then I'll show you the consistency. Look how beautiful that is. And that is just beautiful. So now we're going to fill our hot cocoa bomb molds. All right, go ahead, put it in the hole. Yep. Very good. Okay, spoon again. So Cooper filled all the molds up with the chocolate that we had. And now I'm just gonna kind of roll that chocolate around just so it coats nice and evenly around each mold. And now we're just going to clean off this top. And we're gonna set that in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes. And if you guys are new here to my channel, thank you guys so much for being here. If you can, please like this video, comment below if this is your first time, if you're gonna be making hot cocoa bombs or if you already made hot cocoa bombs. And subscribe if you wanna see more of these kind of videos. And if you wanna see more of this handsome boy, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm just gonna take the little chocolate spheres out of the mold. Now, it's not the prettiest, but it'll do. Okay.
Oops.
Oops.
I ate it.
Look at that. Look how cute that is. And I'm gonna set it on the table. I heated up the plate, like a ceramic plate, for about a minute in the microwave. And I'm just melting the edges of my chocolate sphere. And I'm gonna place it down in one of these cupcake holders. And I'm gonna repeat that with 3 of these hot cocoa bombs. So now I'm going to spoonful a tablespoon of hot cocoa mixture in this bowl.
Can I do one with you?
This is going to be Cooper's hot cocoa bomb. So can you help me put your sprinkles in there?
Yeah. Can I eat one?
These sprinkles are from Confetti House. You can find it here in Hawaii on Oahu. And you can order a whole bunch of different kind of sprinkles, but this is their logo. And we got this mixture here. Cooper loves the bananas.
Can I eat my banana?
And now, since we filled our bomb, we are going to place the top part on the hot plate. And then we're going to quickly place it on top this edge.
And can I eat it?
And that is going to seal that hot cocoa bomb.
Subscribe.
Thank you guys so much for watching and have a blessed day.